Right. Here, Bruce here. January 30th, 2020. Mesh grow bags. And I got these weird, this is a little avocado tree I got out here in the back lot. I planted this and, oops, I broke that off there. I think I broke that. But I got this weird, I noticed this the other day, these little shoots coming up, and I thought they were avocado trees, another stem off of this, and then I looked and I saw these green things here, and then I noticed there's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's probably another one, 11, 10 or 11 of these things here. Let me yank one of these out of here. I'm going to see what these are. What are these? No idea. It's some kind of flower or something. I don't know. Is it a bulb? I don't know. I'm going to plant one. This one. Is it a vegetable? Maybe it was from my compost? I have no idea. I'm going to separate this one out, and if anybody knows what that is, put a comment in there, let me know. And I'm going to try to grow it and see what happens. My other avocado tree is huge. It's doing great. We had a couple cold days last week. A week ago, 7, 8 days ago, we had 2 cold days. My banana trees got pretty brown, but all my bamboo in the background here, you can kind of see it in there. It did really well. Didn't yellow or anything, hardly. Oh, here, let's take a look at this one. Got a little bit of yellow leaf on there, but not bad. And my giant bamboos. There's my compost pile. It's doing fine. Haven't stirred it very well lately, but it's working. And this is all my Sinicus, Dendrocalamus sinicus, and my giganteus is which one? That one there. This one. And they didn't lose any. Here, maybe I'll plant that bulb in here. Yeah, I'll plant this over here. Plant it in this bamboo, see what happens. Seems like they grow pretty easy. I mean, I never even noticed the thing there, and then I got 10 of them. Hopefully it's edible. But yeah, all the bamboos are looking great. Actually, I got a couple new shoots coming. Where was this one? This one right here. There's a new one right there. That's pretty new. Look at that. And then over here, there's one. Look at that. That's brand new. That's only probably like 3 or 4 days old. I rarely notice them popping out of the ground anymore. I mean, I got so many. It's kind of hard to keep track of each individual one. These are all my membranaceous here. These are doing really good. Some new shoots coming out of there for sure. Yeah, there's a, well, no, that's got branches. Those are branches, but that looks pretty new. There's some new ones in here a week ago. But yeah, got some weird new plants. I don't know what they are yet. And there's a garlic right there. That's doing pretty good. Oh, that's a new shoot there. So yeah, January 30th, starting to get kind of some new shoots, but no big new shoots, or no new shoots in my big pots on my giant bamboos. Not in there. Cut.